fried banana Foster bites, guys. We're putting our own fun spin on this. I'm gonna start off by taking 6 spoons that are equal in size, dipping them in some hot oil so that nothing sticks to them. Dip the bottom of your spoon into that pancake batter and then go straight into some chopped pecans, a little more pancake batter, and we are ready to go into this hot oil with these. This is gonna make a delicious banana Foster bite, a little addition to our sundae. We're gonna set those to the side, and we've got some melted butter. I'm gonna add some chopped bananas and some brown sugar. And then hit it with a little bit of rum, and then torch this, light it on fire, and we have our bananas flambe. I'm just gonna give these a quick flip. They cook extra quick because the bananas are already soft. We've got a few scoops of some salted caramel ice cream here. I'm just gonna put a few balls of ice cream right on top, and then we're gonna top these off with some powdered sugar. These are like a delicious beignet with that nutty flavor inside. They're just gonna add a whole other element to this sundae. Place them all around the sides here. You get a nice little flower pattern. Top it off with some whipped cream. What is a sundae without some nuts? Let's hit it with some freshly chopped nuts for a little crunchiness. And this sundae is ready to go, ready to please.